This 2008 Honda Shadow 750 has LED lights for an underglow kit, and the way I mounted them was I put it under here, and I also put them under here, and as you can see, I ran the wires through there, and I also have some here. What I'm gonna do is get a heat gun and heat the top of it, and then place the lights back on. I have zip ties holding them just in case. And the way I wired it, I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna show you. Actually, I just decided to show you the way I mounted it. I think I struggle with that so much because it's a wrap. So this is the way I mounted it. It's kind of ugly, but it works. Have all the wires running down here and have them all bundled up here, and I mounted the main source. I guess it's like I got an adhesive, and it comes with one, but I use the one from GoPro. That way it kind of like fits better. Also zip tie anything. But yeah, I mean it works pretty well. It's pretty bright out at night. And yeah. Also for the wiring, I made sure that it came through a hole. Like that, because at first, when I first did it, I kind of had it hanging a little bit to the left, and you can tell that it was getting nicked. So I fixed it, but just giving you a heads up of where you can make it look nice. And then you just put this back on. And it looks nice. Can't even tell.